My metaphor is the lonely wolf who is not more socialized. So it is telling to me it's okay. You are not socialized much more now. So you need to call the friends, or you just call your relatives, your parents. The mistake will be once or twice. The third time will you know that where you have made the mistake. So it is telling me that just do it. Don't be fear of the result.
So dear friends, I'm sure this video has added value to your lives. And yes, we are committed towards your improvement. Hence our tagline is I win when you win. So do share this video to all your loved ones, your friends, your colleagues, so that their lives also can become better and better. So like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. We are here for you because I win